Hello viewers, let's install three WhatsApp in single mobile. The first WhatsApp would be default WhatsApp and the second one would be enabled due to dual setting and the third one would be business WhatsApp. To enable dual WhatsApp, click settings, then advanced features and now go to dual messengers. Click on it and now you will see that dual WhatsApp is already activated in my mobile. So let me demonstrate the same on Facebook. So simply turn on the button and click install. This process you will do with WhatsApp. In my case, it's already done. Click install. So dual WhatsApp would be enabled. In case if you would like to disable it, so once again off the button. Now for third WhatsApp, go to Play Store and click it. Go to search and in search type business WhatsApp. After typing this, the same will appear in your mobile. So this is the first link. Click it and then click install. After installing, simply click open. And after opening, the WhatsApp will ask agree and continue. Then either your existing number or use a different number. It's up to you. So let me click it, then click continue. And after continue, it will ask for permission. You may still and read it. So click allow and allow limited or allow all. It's up to you. Read the text and decide. Now let's see all three at once. These three are the WhatsApp and single mobile. So let me first click the business WhatsApp. It's open in front of you. Then and now let's go to the second WhatsApp, which was enabled due to dual settings. So this is also in working condition. And after this, we will simply go to the first WhatsApp, which is by default or the first one we already installed. In case if you would like to remove any WhatsApp, so long click on it and simply choose or click uninstall and the same would be removed. I removed business WhatsApp. Hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.